Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good day to you, whatever time of day or night it is in your location. I would like to present to you the Honor 8X smartphone made by Huawei company in China. I've owned this phone before and I've just bought it again because it's got such an incredible camera. Anyway, I hope you like my matching colour scheme here. Very thematic. Designed specially for this video to match the box. I'm going to break the seals. I know people love these sort of videos, and I like doing them actually. Very few and far between. I like to do them every year or so, not too often, because unboxings can be tedious. But anyway, I've got a very sharp knife here, so I better not waffle too much. Short and sweet unboxing of the absolutely stunning Honor 8X. Hope you can see that okay. Just the camera a little bit. There's a lot of clutter in this room, so I'm trying to make the scene look quite cinematic, shall we say. Here we are. The Honor 8X. And it's very deflating generic polythene bag, but that polythene bag is not the star of the show, is it? This is the star of the show. This hefty beast of a phone for £199.95 from Argos UK. 64 gig. Oh, I know people go crazy for this film peeling. It's a new thing. People on the internet go crazy for the plastic film removal, so you have to satisfy some people. Some strange people. Well, they're not strange, everyone has different tastes. I'm quite personally, I can see the satisfaction in pulling a plastic film off, but some people get obsessed with it. Anyway, there's the front film. Let's face it, it just says Honor 8X. Let me just get the phone laid down so I don't drop it. Plastic protective carrier film says Honor 8X, blah blah blah, 6.5 inch screen, 4 gigs of RAM, plus 64 or 128 gigs of ROM. It's actually not ROM, it's flash. Wait, it technically is, it's flash ROM. 20 megapixel camera, dual camera, 16 mega selfie camera, 3000. That's the back. This is the killer feature. 3,750 milliamp hour battery. Did you notice, internet? I said milliamp hour, not milliamp, which a lot of reviewers saying get it wrong. 12 nanometer Huawei Kirin 710 octa-core chipset enhanced by GPU Turbo. I'm hoping this. My put-on voice. I'm hoping this phone hasn't been pre-flashed with Android 9, because I'm under the impression that some builds of Android 9 for this particular device model have got bugs, so I'm hoping I've got the choice to stave off the Android Pie update until they fix the bugs. My Moto G7 Plus runs great on Android Pie. Got a couple of quirks, like sometimes it takes a while to boot. Well, the wallpaper will arrive and the phone takes about 30 seconds to actually show the icons, but no, it's great. It's works well. First boot. While it's booting up, oh look at that, that's lovely. That's a booty, that is, Bernard. That's a real booty. As it's booting up, let me show you the very, very glossy, iridescent sort of Fantasyland sort of etched glass coating inside. It's a beautiful phone. I remember having this last December. I bought one just after I did a little business venture, and I loved the phone. I don't know, I can't remember why I got rid of it now. I think I was short of money. Anyway, this one's going nowhere for the meantime. Never say never. Still booting. Let's do a little side-by-side comparison. Sorry about the narrow angle of view for the screen guy. The video. It's not very particularly wide-angle shot here. You see, this is this Moto G7 Plus is a 6.2 inch. This is a 6.5 inch. And even that little 0.3 of an inch increase. Let me put on the desk, it's easier there, isn't it? If I can see it then. My big fumbling thumb's in the way. You can see it, the difference in screen size. Let me try and get the camera up so you can see. There's not a huge amount in it, but that little bit of difference does help. One thing I'll give Honor, Huawei, whoever they are this week, one thing I'll give them is their face unlock, whatever they call it, technology is much faster than the Moto G7 Plus. And this phone has got quite a cheeky retail price in the UK of around £250 to £279. I paid £140 used from someone on eBay. But the new price is a little bit high. This is £199. You can get them for about £159 on eBay and Amazon some places, but the going rate's about £199 from Argos UK. Yeah, I did think the 279 retail of this was slightly high, considering it's got a few quirks about it. Has got USB-C. I never actually thought I would care that much about it until I got it. You think everyone thinks the same thing until they got it, and it's got rapid charging. It's not a huge deal. Put my phone on charge overnight, like most sane people. So who cares? This has got USB, micro B, USB. What's the word? Micro USB. That's what I'm thinking of. Yeah, it charges. You plug it at night, and it charges all night until it's full. And I wake up in the daytime, and I use it all day, and it's still got a charge left. And then I plug it at night. I plug it in at night time. I'm not sure what other people do, but anyway. So I'm not going to set it up now. I'm just going to show you. There's the start of the show. Out the way, Moto G. If you want to see this, it's Moto G7 Plus. Yeah. The aesthetics are quite. Yeah, I don't really care that much about the camera. The camera looks like a cartoon face smiling, I think. Hey, looking at me, mate. Ooh, what a surprised face I've got. Anyway, it looks quite. The aesthetics of that are nowhere near as nice as the. What's going on with my camera? Nowhere near as nice as the Honor 8X, I don't think, personally. But that's my opinion, and as people say, well, it's just my opinion. Well, I know it's just your opinion. This is my opinion. I think it's nice. I think this is nicer. Waffle, syrup and waffle. Anyone for waffles with syrup? Or just plain waffle? Look. So what else is in here? Basically, you've got your power brick, or as I like to call it correctly, power adapter. Before the days of smartphones, back in the 90s, we had proper words for things. This is can't see that, it's too small. In for my X-ray vision. I think it's 18 watt, don't quote me. Hang on, can't see it properly. Charger. Standard. I'm not going to nonchalantly toss this cable across the desk. Yes, I am. Like some people, as if they, this is an everyday occurrence for me. I receive 50 smartphones a day. Yeah, it's just a cable. No, I look after my stuff. Not obsessively, but I do look after it. There's the box. I'm not going to show the IMEI number because you'll probably try and clone my phone and claim my identity and steal my cat and whatever. Lots of waffling, as I said. One thing I will warn you of, it's not a big deal, with this phone, is it comes with a, when you first open it, like I did with my last one, last Christmas, you think, oh great, it comes with a gel case, comes with a TPU gel case. Yes, it does. Right, this gel case comes with it. This discolours very quickly, unless they've changed the... No, they haven't. I can see the micro dimples. It's got micro dots, micro texture inside. Unless they've changed the formula of the TPU gel, which I don't think they have. I can't imagine they have. And looking very closely with my very good vision, I can see little micro dots. This last one I had upstairs went all cloudy and sort of milky and discoloured very quickly after I bought the phone. I did complain to them, not too long, just about a quarter of an hour, and they didn't want to know. They wouldn't replace the case. So I thought, well, okay, no big deal. It's just a case. So I'd recommend buying a different gel case. Apart from that, the phone's a cracker. It's a cracker, so it is. Anyway, that's my rather protracted, somewhat brief, somewhat not quite sure which word in between to describe it, unboxing of the Huawei Honor. Let's just call it Honor, shall we? The Honor 8X, which is a lovely smashing phone from Honor stroke Huawei stroke whatever you want to call them, from China. Lovely, lovely phone. I wouldn't buy it twice if it was a rubbish phone. Believe me, if this was a crap phone, it'd be gone. I had the last one for about 6 months, I think. 5-6 months. Hang on, no I didn't. I had it till about 4 months. Because I bought an iPhone 6S Plus. No, hang on. Yeah, 6S. That was a mistake because that was £300 for a 4 or 5-year-old iPhone. I won't make that mistake again. Now this is a great phone. Mr. Fat Finger's in the way again. AI camera. AI lad, how you doing lad? AI. What's going on here then lad? Anyway, whatever. Fingerprint sensor.
Google Play Store is using battery. Tap for details on battery and data usage.
You what? Shut up. Who asked your opinion? Got AI talking to me. Be quiet. Some robot talking to me in English. Yeah, fingerprints galore because it's very shiny. What do you expect? I mean, duh. Physics. So anyway. There we go. There we go. It has got a headphone jack for the obsessive people who care about that sort of thing. I don't care. If it's got one, I use it. If it hasn't got one, I use Bluetooth. In fact, no, that's not true. Most I use Bluetooth, so who cares? The fingerprint sensor is extremely quick and accurate. The face unlock thing means you won't need the fingerprint sensor particularly because it's so quick. Anyway, that's the unboxing. I'm hungry now. I need to get some food, so I hope you enjoyed that. You just lie this on the desk so you can obsess over it like people do. There we go. On at ATEX. And get this clutter out of the way. There we go. It's a nice big phone. Huge phone. 6.5 inches is not small. It's not gigantic. It's pretty close though. How glossy it is. This was filmed on a spare iPhone 5S I had lying around because I've not got a camera at the moment, a proper camera. So any obsessive people out there who care about that sort of thing, complain in the comments below. Please complain loudly and I'll ignore you just as loudly. I don't care. It was filmed on a camera that I had with me that worked and it's clear enough not to be an offensive resolution or quality. Perfectly adequate for what I'm doing. I'm not obsessive when I'm doing YouTube videos. I am when I'm taking photos. Things need to be right. I'm quite pedantic about my photos. Very pedantic actually. But when I'm doing unboxing videos, who cares? As long as it's clear and sharp and the colours of the orange and blue look nice. There you go. God bless you. Enjoy your evening, day, morning, chicken noodle soup, whatever. Egg fried rice, pizza, pancake. I don't care. I'm going. I'm going crazy if I keep talking. Bye bye.